final test. I'm MrBeast. We can scrap the yes, cause I never missed a beat. You had to cut from honey under threat of a gun blast. When I had to cut from honey, that's enough check that I'm gone. Cash, you're coming last. Number one issue you and dub you have is hardly written. You're accomplished, cause you bought the God position and became the best. But the consequences that you got to live with is you pay their debt, so they'll pay your debt. I applaud you getting into this game, you won't get rich. I'm like your mama, I'm dead sick. Then check the gaming channel, millions of children watch it. How'd you win all that one kid, but not custody of one kid? Did you think you'd get it back with that lighter you bought her? You're playing tug of war with your ex, but the rope is your daughter. So stupid saying we'll show you the light. You didn't go to SNU, that's right. If the task was less to get backstabbed by your pal, you wouldn't make it through the night. When a beast I don't need a suit in time. Wrap me with gold and the food I try. Utter a word, then you will die. Save those ups for PewDiePie.
This is the next test. They'll make us fighting for survival. But instead of a kiddie game, you'll be playing this man-child. Look at this fragile like glass. I will smash it if you push me. Made your fortune from subscribers, I'll give them their fucking cookies. He's done all this good. He fed lives in need, right till they get by. Each time gave violence, sweet rides, let high tree stripes, set headlines. Being nice when you spread vibes. Inside better than by MrBeast lines, so you make 10 times what you leave, guys. Only ever moving when you're in the set side. Double king shout like an anti-red light, green light. Don't talk about loyalties, you don't get any. You're like, I spent at least $10,000 renting people out to pretend to be friends with me. I wondered why VIPs had to hide their face behind plastic. Now that I see this bastard, I get what the point of the mask is.
I just replaced all of Geo's surviving friends with Legos.
Jimmy, there aren't any Legos.
For a critique on greed, it seems ironic. Your show sold out like it's stock from shopMrBeast.com, bitch.
Spent 24 hours in a bunker, another 24 inside of a fake prison, and 50 hours in a couple. You think it was all big, solid, and staged, and spent a name in it with Jeff Bezos. But they can't give you this challenge that I couldn't be paid to be. You can't make the lines old, stay with it. I'm like Jake, if I get out straight up living.
Let's hope that you didn't bet all of your money on winning this fight now. Cause a lot like your job, if that happened, you're likely to die on my fire and strike out. Joy Deep Season, clean that garbage past you deemed so awful. You lost everything to a pensioner who lost his fucking marbles.